on that one. So he's in the studio. I'm going to get to him in a bit. There's a lot to talk about with what he's been up to. You know, his music. We spoke last year about managing business and his music, and I want to really find out how far he's come, you know. But please send us messages. It's a beautiful Monday to everybody watching. Very, very happy you're tuning in as always. Can never do any of this without you. You guys make MX24 TV and Mxlive what it is, and we're always going to show you appreciation with the content we give you, right? The conversations we have, the events we're a part of, and I promise you, next year we're going to be part of even bigger and better stuff. Please send us messages, MX24GH, every single platform. Our hashtag is MXLive, you know, on X, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Snapchat, every single place. We post constant updates, and even with our interviews, if you miss anything, we do our very best to keep you constantly updated every single time. So you can also go on our YouTube. Our old interviews, old shows are there with all our presenters and all the artists we have on here. And as I always say, we can never do any of this without you. So quick commercial break. When we get back, I have Ramzyb all the way from Tadi right here. We'll be right back. Oh man, welcome back guys. MX24 TV, enjoying some music all the way from Takoradi, you know, the beautiful place that is Takoradi. I haven't been there in a while. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, so all and everybody watching today, again, thank you so much for tuning in. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon. In fact, tell me what you're up to, because December is here officially. How are you going to be spending this December? Which events are you going to be at? I think one of the guys in the team, Eddie, he's part of, you know, our online team, sent a list in one of our groups to all the events that are happening. And I was like, wow, that's crazy. So, yeah, let us know, you know, throughout the month of December, where you're going to be at. Are you going to be home? Like me? Are you going to be going? Are you going to be having fun? What kind of music do you want to hear out there? And with MX24, what content do you want to see? Because everything we do is for you and by you. Now, as I said earlier on, I have the man who I haven't spoken to in I think a year or so. I am Ramzyb, but he's still looking fresh as always. How you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
Charlie, say something Takade. Like, no, how can I say something Takade? Say something fancy, right?
Yeah.
Say something.
Yeah, Charlie. Western region, Olokodo. As I said, I'm in there Monday. I'm going to do Monday and I'm out below.
Bro, how have you been, man?
Oh, so far so good.
It's been a year since we spoke.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, man. How's family? How's health? How's music, man?
Yeah. So far so good. I give thanks to God Almighty because it's not easy. December is here.
Yeah.
So I give thanks to God.
Yeah. What song... No, you actually played the song you released when we were speaking.
Of course.
With Keche.
Keche, of course.
What's the title of that song, please?
Backfire.
Backfire. How did that song do, man?
Yeah, great. And I think because of that song, I got nomination in TGMA. Yeah, last year.
Wow.
Yeah, on Sang nominee. Yeah.
How was that experience, man?
Oh, great. It was a big platform. Yeah. And mom exposure, mom kofu home, you know. So I think Charlie is a plus. And this year, 3 music awards too. I got nomination. That's next related artist.
Yeah.
Next related artist.
Wow.
So big up to you guys, my fans and my team. They are doing very well.
Now, Ramzy, your music, it seems like you really tend to talk about the struggles of life, the difficulties, you know, people not believing in you, people attacking you, even when you're showing them love.
Yeah.
Why is that so important to you, man?
Because I think it's a great message, and it's not only me. A lot of people were experiencing the okay, so I just want to do song to motivate them. That sometimes they shouldn't give up if people turn against them. Charlie, yawo papa menhwe nimpa yama nyankopon because nyamempo akade eleyama eyama wunua no no so yamo. So just open your heart and do good to people. And another side to regard to hustle. Because now it's not easy.
No.
Yeah, in Tekere, it's not, baby, now you're comfortable. I promise you, are not going to make it. Even those who are making it are finding it difficult.
Yeah.
Now, you are
Charlie,
not
rich
doing
men
anything.
they complain.
Charlie,
I'm like,
complain.
Hey, brother.
You see that thing? And one thing is, Mr. Easy impost on you easy. Now. Mr. Easy. On the boss on you easy now. So you got to hustle. Yeah, as a man. True. Yeah, so I always want to motivate my fans.
Being famous, has it made the things you deal with a bit more difficult because now any problem you deal with, so to speak, is public, right? If Aya is not feeling well, it's public. If Aya can't make it to an event, it's public. If Aya is in a relationship, it's public. You know, if Aya is even seen living, so to speak, a normal life, walking around, it's public, and everybody speaks about these things. No matter what you do, right, a negative spin can be put on it. How do you deal with these things being as famous as you are?
Jason, thanks for this question. It's not easy. Yeah, because now people knows Aya Ramzyb. Charlie, I find it difficult. Sometimes, if I don't have money, I want to go to some place. Like if Obiale Niemanka, like I'll pick a trotro, but now I can't pick trotro. Yeah, because more for trotro. Those in the trotro, those I know this boy.
Take their phones out immediately.
You see, when Ghana most of them grab one who can picture. You see, so now it's something that I know. Money is everything. Yeah, if you get a fame without money, it's very shameful. It's very, it's not good. So the ordinary baby I'm struggle fee. Fame with money, I think is good because I can maybe mom get a ref and there's some boats be I think I like Ben Cooper, Ben Kuma. Now I can't go to the street to buy Ben Gwen.
But don't you think like the youth are putting pressure on themselves? Because you see, what you're saying is very, very true, right? Once you see someone of a certain caliber working at certain place, has a hit song, we automatically assume, their lifestyle has to upgrade. Okay, now the way the youth see you, the youth think these things about themselves. Okay, my video is trending. A couple of people know me, I'm also releasing music. I look up to Aya Ramzyb, he's always looking nice. Now me to have to live like this, even though the youth necessarily may not have that money. What advice would you give them?
Yeah, what I would say is, Charlie, man, top pressure be my own. Don't look up to somebody. If even Aya Ramzyb is doing this, you shouldn't say, no, I have to do this. Whilst you don't have the money, do what you can do. What you can afford, just do it. Don't look up to somebody. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Maybe because of my talent, you want to be like Aya Ramzyb. That one, you can learn it.
Yes.
Yeah, the way I sing, the way I rap, you can do it. But my lifestyle, no, you shouldn't follow that way.
Yeah.
You get yourself in a problem.
Yeah.
So my advice is, Charlie, adibiali ebia no shawa kumeme do what you can do. Ame menhwemu nua bi, menkade bia keche wode, anade Kwame Eugene wode, anade obi wode, nti mo so me de no. Me cut mo code according to my size. As I say, Rams in a size, shorts, or men cats and be a tintinity most me into my cats and
I like that advice, because people seeing this will now relate to, hey, Charlie, but this guy, he gets songs with like the biggest artists, but he's very relatable.
Yeah, you have to be simple. You have to live simple life. Man, top pressure more.
Charlie, right now, somebody go buy iPhone 13, come say, your phone, it is iPhone.
You see that thing?
iPhone 12.
You see you.
It is iPhone 15, iPhone 16, but Charlie, be a money no day.
That's money no day.
Street hot.
So I have to, Charlie, relax and do what I can do.
Yeah.
So, Charlie, simple life. Live simple life.
Yeah, Charlie, if you're using a yam like me, there's no problem with
Hey, wait. Dusted.
Yes, use your yam. No stress.
That's my man,
no
dusted.
Bro, how do you feel like when you're trending? When you wake up and your name is everywhere because of your song or something you did. How do you feel?
I feel great. Yeah, I feel good. And always I give thanks to God. It's not easy. We have a lot of people who are doing very well. And I actually am not one saying you are trending. It's something great. Yeah, and I remember the time I went to TGM.
Bro, that's what I'm coming to talk about. I'm happy that you just landed on it. Bro, what was going through your mind? You wore something. I hope we can show this on TV. You wore a suit that was made of. What was it made of?
See, you don't want to say it. Condom. Say it.
Condom.
Why you feel shy?
Bro,
you feel shy saying condom?
I mean, I hardly see them.
It's normal.
Yeah, me, I always there room. So, first of all, whose idea was this?
Yeah.
Whose idea was it? You or your team?
Yeah, it's my team. I and my team. And big ups to my friend called Gelio. Gelio, yeah.
Oh, so a female did this?
Yeah, female. No, a female was part of it. Part of the plan.
Okay.
She's called Gelio. Yeah, but big ups to my fashion designer. Yeah, Express Curtains. Yeah, he's in Takrade.
Charlie, shout out to him.
Yeah, Express Curtains. Big ups to you. Yeah.
So wait, when you guys were coming up with this, was the whole idea is we just want to trend, we're going on the biggest platform. Everybody has to know what we're about.
Yeah.
Or was the idea just that, I just want to be different? What was the reason for this?
Okay, first, I want to be different. I want to look different.
Okay.
Yeah, always Ramzyb want to look different. And two, my motive behind this, I want to send message across. Use that platform. TGMA platform is very big. The red carpet is very big. So I wanted to use that platform to educate people because AIDS is real. Trust me. AIDS, because of COVID, everybody is not talking about HIV again. Now everybody is talking about COVID, which is wrong. And every day, teenage pregnancy, alcohol, atasa. And if you check online, CCI, teenage friend and HIV, also.
Yeah, I think I heard something about the first quarter this year. It's wild.
Yeah, so and I'm a pharmacy assistant.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I've worked in hospital like good 5 years.
So you've seen these things firsthand?
Yes, I know, yeah.
Must be scary, man.
Yeah, so I wanted to educate people that, no, HIV is real. Protect yourself when you're having sex. And if you don't want to have sex...
Yeah, abstain. Advice that abstain.
It's
do
like
not
that.
do it.
You did like me.
Yeah, mind your business. Don't go and look for trouble.
So that's the idea. Not to trend or something like that. No, I just want to send message across.
But did this come... Were there people who saw this and had a negative response? Because everything we do, like now I'm sitting here hearing this and I'm like, okay, he's trying to be positive about the situation, as I'm saying, some people say, oh no, just abstain, don't even get into this. But from your end, you and your team's like, let's be positive. Somebody too see this and say, oh, why is he talking about sex or doing things that have the connotations of sex on such a public platform? What were some of the negative responses?
You are right. A lot.
For real?
Yeah, were bashing me up and down. What is this? I'm the condom. Why? No, but Charlie, Ghana, or there as a condom on your other bone. Even sometimes when you go to, when you attend any show, they share it. What they share for free.
Yeah.
Condom is not any shy thing. Another BB or they this year Ghana why they may a soft be better content and then no, just be open. Yeah. First, now the musicians they used to do songs about HIV, use condoms, do this, songs, and it's not going. It's not doing well now. So I wanted to take that platform and educate people on that. Okay. Condom is not anything bad. No, come on, Charlie. This
so how many condoms were on there? My goodness,
you can't count it,
bro. Risky, like
this creativity. This is creativity. This is creativity. It will be that something different. Always, I want to look different. If you think left, Ramzyb will think right. If you think right, I will think left. That's me.
So, are you thinking about a campaign? Where you talk about these things on a regular basis?
Of course.
Because again, some people just see this and say you did it just because you wanted to trend for the night. No.
That's some people's idea. But mine is different.
Okay.
I just wanted to educate people.
Okay.
And big ups to HIV Commission. They came to me and now.
For real?
Yeah, we are about to go school, but like we want to do tour.
Wow.
Yeah, educate people on that. So it will come soon and I will let you know.
Oh, please do. Please do. Charlie. What did close friends and family say? Because I'm sure this was a surprise to some people. People who know that, Ramzyb, he plays around, but this is a serious message. Did message from family or uncles or anything? I'm like, hey, brother.
A lot. Even Mamu come for Western region, Tadi. Hey, Ramzyb, hey, Ramzyb, hey, Ramzyb, Charlie one from me, so my sisters were from Ramzyb. Could be a post to everyone see there. No. So don't listen to anybody.
Nice.
Just concentrate. This is my idea. The makeup was okay. It's a nice idea. Okay. This and that. Charlie, I mean maintain negative stuff.
I like that. Are we going to see more like creative stuff like this moving forward? Let's see. I like that. Now, the good thing is you're releasing new music, or you have released new music.
Yeah, released new music.
Yes, and bro, you always work with the biggest artists, man, the biggest stars. And I think that's a testament to your hard work and your ambition, right? And I'm sure they also believe in you and they see what you're doing. That's why they work with you. And this one is with a brother of mine, Kofi Kenata, man. Weekend. Tell me about this song, man.
Yeah, weekend is weekend. I'm trying to tell people that weekend, when it's weekend, you need to have fun. You need to chill, Charlie, because hard work without chilling. Charlie, it
And condoms, of course.
Of
to
course.
be safe.
As I said, today, what to be totally tame protect someone. As I said, you know, I'm just trying to release some stress and for
Okay.
go hard.
Okay. Okay, so what we want to do is, before you were coming on, we got a couple of messages, right? People were texting us, asking us about Ramzyb, what should we expect from him, what are his plans moving forward. Please, right now, with this interview, if you have absolutely any questions, any suggestions, any requests from Ramzyb, looking at the future features and everything is up to, please send us messages, MX24GH, every single platform, the hashtag Mxlive. And I think it's very, very encouraging to see, right, him and Kofi Kinata do their thing the way they're doing it, because we sit here, we sit on these platforms, oh, let's support Takrade, you know, let's support Kumasi, let's support the North. These are the ways we do these things. So I'm very, very proud of this guy, and I think we just have to check out the song. I'm not letting him go just yet. Listen to the music, tell us what you think. We'll be right back.
African Star Boy.
Tell Ramzyb you do all.
You
do all. Bro, that's a vibe.
Thank God say, in the payday, mini being potted then, Nama Jimmy pay. Today be today, pay be before Tomo Chalk and a man can't cheat me the easy. Yanina, ya penny J, baby girl, and mommy today, or Tema to baby.
Bro, this song, how's it doing, man?
Great.
Crazy, right?
Trust me, or top chart and the Western region put what top chart. I'm not familiar na yoko competition. Familiar about one, no about two. About two, and I'm about one. Chaloya Blue, yeah, big ups to Connect FM, you know, Western region.
How was it getting Kofi Kinata on the song, man?
Yeah, Kofi Kinata, he's like a brother to me.
Nice.
We did together each and every day, and he's a very positive guy. Yeah, so I just called him, and he said, no, Ramzy, come and do something and send it to me. I will put my verse on. And Charlie, papa. And you know something? Me and Jimmy send him a Kofi Kinata. Ote and I was, wow, Ramzy, this song is a hit song.
Wow.
And Okata, no, more one message. So I checked my phone, money. He sent me money. I said, wow.
For real?
So I thought there was a mistake. No, I about my phone. So I just called him. I said, hey, Kofi, I had a mistake. Man, you do a man from us. No, I just send the money to you.
Wow.
Charlie, use it. Yeah, this song is a hit song. So I'm just giving the money to you.
Wow.
I said, wow. Yeah, Kofi Kinata.
Oh, man, that's real, man.
Yeah. So anytime you see Kofi Kinata,
I will. Ramzy, me so I street and shit, so I'm trying to go.
Oh yeah, it's so necessary, man.
Charlie, I'm really proud of you, man. Like every time I meat you, you're very upbeat, very positive. You're always pushing on music. But what do you want to tell your fans, man, before you leave today?
Yeah, my lovely fans, MS24, you know, viewers, Charlie, this I Ramzyb. This is my new song with Kofi Kinata. Please, all the guitar platforms, you can go there and stream. YouTube, the name is Aya Ramzyb. Just go there, subscribe my YouTube, and Charlie, won't stream and just leave your comment there. And social media too, if you want to follow me, all TikTok, Facebook, IG, X, everywhere is Aya Ramzyb. Follow me, and I'll follow you back. Please, I'm searching for an investor. I don't have a management. I do everything myself, I and my team. So please, if you want to support Aya Ramzyb, please call this number 050-252-7775. 052-252-7775. Charlie, do money I need 70%. Eba bread, you get it times 10. You get it.
Wow,
so come and let's work
that.
together.
I like that. God bless you again, my brother.
And we have special dance for it too. So I don't know if I can do that small or if time. Yeah.
Okay, so just show me the moves, then we'll record it. Show me the moves.
Can I stand?
Yeah. Like so. Yeah. What do you do?